Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Wing Finance. Wing Finance is giving us again and again trading opportunities by forming different bullish harmonic patterns. And in today's analysis, I want to share with you another recent bullish harmonic pattern that Wing Finance has formed. And we will also take a look at this big breakout once again on this weekly time frame chart, and I also want to show you this symmetrical triangle that has been formed on the 4-hour time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my recent trade setup that I shared for my members at the Patreon. That is another harmonic bullish reversal guardrail move that Wing Finance has formed with Bitcoin pair. The previous idea I shared on 4th of August, and the recent idea I shared 3 days ago on 9th of August. This was the previous chart when Wing Finance formed this previous guardrail move, and I shared this move with you in my previous video as well. And you can see our sell targets were from $16.17 and goes to $18.66. And after playing this chart, we can see that Wing Finance again moved down and pumped well, and still moving here. And the recent trade setup is this one. And by the way, this setup is with Bitcoin pair. The previous setup was with US dollar pair, and now this is also with the US dollar pair. And here our sell targets were from $16.15 and goes to $17.75, and our buying zone is from $14.64 and goes to $13.56. So both setups were formed with US dollar pair, and this is the recent one that I shared on 9th of August. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line pumped very well. And so we don't have such a big pump like previously we had, but it has reached the sell target and again moved down. But I'm expecting that this move can be bigger one if Wing Finance breaks out this symmetrical triangle. Now let me to show you first this down channel that Wing Finance has already broken out, and we have already achieved the target for this down channel that was here at the top of the channel at $63. But there is a probability that it will reach this $63 once again after breaking out this resistance of $25. We can see that during this move, it broke out the resistance of this down channel, broke out the resistance of this $8 that was previously working as a very strong resistance support here, and before that here it was working as a support back in November 2020. And then it also broke out the next resistance of $11.50, and now it is working as a support for the price line of Wing Finance. And previously this level has been working as a resistance here, resistance, and support here, and resistance here as well. And now we have a very strong resistance, even though we had a long spike but could not break out even this resistance as well, that we have at $25. And previously it has been working as a resistance here, and resistance here. I've slightly adjusted this resistance. Previously I was showing you this resistance at $24 and some cents, but exactly we have this resistance at $25. And then our final resistance will be here at $63. And after breaking out this resistance, Wing Finance can start a very, very long-term rally, and this level can work as a very strong support for Wing Finance. Now if we switch to the 4-hour time frame, then here Wing Finance has formed this symmetrical triangle. And for example, if we will have a breakdown from this triangle, then the move to the downside can be very low from here at $6.76. And for example, if we will break out this resistance, then the next move will be $20.44. So it is showing us the projection that after breaking out this triangle, there will be a very high probability that we may also try to break this next very powerful resistance of $25. And you can see that the movement of the price line is quite squeezed. So next few hours and days can be really very important. Even hours can be really very important for Wing Finance, because we are, you can see, moved at the very end of the triangle. We need to keep an eye on this resistance and support. And for example, if we will have a breakout, then there can be a very big move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.